Romo Mortgage loan process for first-time homebuyers. Step 1. Initial contact and personal information. You will receive a link to provide your basic personal details: name, last name, phone number, and email address. At this stage, you will choose from 3 options for how you'd like to proceed, including a fully online path or an in-person appointment. Step 2. Loan application. After submitting your information, you will receive an email with a link to complete your formal loan application. If you prefer a face-to-face experience, a team member will contact you to schedule an in-person meeting. Step 3. Document collection. Once your application is received, you will be asked to provide the following supporting documents: 30 days of pay stubs, 2 months of asset statements, last 2 years of tax returns, W-2s and 1099s for the past 2 years, 2 forms of identification. Step 4. Income, asset and credit review. The team will review your pay stubs, W-2s and tax returns, especially important for self-employed buyers. Asset documentation for at least 2 months will also be verified. Your credit report will then be pulled and reviewed. Step 5. File setup and processing. Once everything looks good, your loan details, such as sales price and loan amount, are entered into the system. The file is then sent to the processing team, who works alongside your mortgage banker to meet all contract deadlines, including loan and appraisal contingencies. Step 6. Underwriting. When your file is complete with all updated documentation, it is submitted to the underwriter. The underwriter may request additional conditions, such as a letter of explanation for items on your credit report. Step 7. Appraisal. At this stage, an appraisal is ordered. A licensed appraiser will visit the property and assess its value. The underwriter will then review the appraisal to confirm the property's value is in compliance with the contract. Step 8. Final loan approval and quality assurance. After the appraisal is approved, you receive your final loan approval. The file goes through a quality assurance review to ensure everything is fully prepared and compliant. Step 9. Closing. Your loan is moved to the closing department. An appointment is scheduled with the title company where you will sign your final loan documents. Step 10. You get the keys. Congratulations, you are officially a homeowner.